Okay, so thanks a million for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you or in front of your audience. Okay, so this is Rahul Bhumik, but you may call me Rahul because this is my nickname and I'm quite familiar with this name. Okay, so basically I'm from Bangladesh, but right now I'm staying at Muscat in Oman for my business purpose, and I work in my shop. Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay. So do you have any friends who is very expert in learning English and you want to appreciate him for his courage of speaking gesture?
Yeah, there are so many friends in my friend list, those who want to learn in English and they are really crazy to learn English.
Why do you think that he is very expert in learning English?
Yeah, I have noticed one thing. He always wants to practice with me. He always want to make new sentences and he always try to learn new vocabularies. That's why I think that he is really very crazy for learning English.
Okay,
And
so
he wants to sit in IELTS examination, I think next year. So that's why he is preparing himself.
okay, this is going to be very individual questions. So are you satisfied in living Oman?
Yeah, I am because I get so many good things, good opportunities in here as a businessman. But those who are work and outside, they are not satisfied with their job like that. I think that, but I'm satisfied with my business.
Okay. So do you believe that starting a business in the Oman is very easier or very challenging?
It's not easy. It's a kind of challenging, but if you start with a good heart, you will be able to earn good money one day, and you have to believe that.
Okay, when you started your business?
Oh, okay. I have started my business. It was 2017, like that.
Okay. So let's have a look at another questions. The questions is that when was the last time you come to Bangladesh and what was your
Oh,
feeling?
okay. I went. Yeah, I went to Bangladesh 2023, like the 2023. Yeah,
Okay, what was your feeling?
previous year, I think. Yeah, my feeling was really very amazing, which is unexplainable. And I have met so many friends, and they were really very happy after getting me. And yeah, everything is good in Bangladesh. I love my country a lot.
Okay. So which thing did you face most interesting when you come to Bangladesh?
Oh, okay. I love to travel, so that's why in my opinion, the most interesting thing is travel. I went to very new place, which is a really very mind-blowing place, like Cox's Bazar, Saint Martin,
Okay.
like
So
that.
do you think that I mean Bangladesh is very suitable for traveling exploration? There are lots of places that is very interesting and fascinating or impressive.
Yeah, I think so. I think so. And there are so many people every day go to Bangladesh for traveling. European people also.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining with me. I'm very satisfied with your speaking that you have improved a lot and you deserve appreciation.
Thank you so much for again for giving me this opportunity to join with you.